Okay, now that you have your research done, now let's go into how you can actually go in and build a full-fledged React. Let's say 14. Maybe we'll look at how to upgrade to 15, but a full-fledged React application based off of the research that you just did. For starters, go to github.com/FeNAgO/FeNAgO21. And the only thing that you want to do is you want to go to code and you want to do download zip. Code and download zip. All right, so when that is downloaded, I've already done this a few times, you're just going to extract it. When you do download zip, obviously it's going to download the entire GitHub repository. I'm going to actually rename this Productive Struggle. Actually, no, I'm going to go here to downloads. Oh, yeah, here it is right here. I'm just going to do extract all. And this is where I'll rename it. I'm going to name it. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a different location. Here's where I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it at my C drive. Go to desktop. Go to my C drive. And I created a folder called Windsurf projects directly on my C drive. When I downloaded this into documents or downloads, it was always problems with the tools. So I created a Windsurf project and I just put everything into Windsurf projects folders here, and I haven't had those problems since. So I'm going to load it here. I'm going to select this folder and Windsurf projects. I'm going to extract to that folder. All right, it's called FeNAgO 21. I'm going to rename this Prod Struggle. And I'll delete this old one that I had here just because I don't want to see it. That was large. Okay, so I have extracted this folder. I've extracted this folder. And I have downloaded the template. So let me take a second here and go through this really quickly. This is a Next.js React template for building an item to sell. All right, so what you're going to want to do when you start is all right here in the getting started. Once you have Windsurf installed and ran, after you do that, these are the core things that you're going to do in your application. You'll be able to set up email. This will be a free plan. You'll get a free database. You'll be able to log in through Google. You'll have magic links. In other words, people will put in their email and then the password or the token will be sent through email. Those are magic links authentication. I'll show you how to do Stripe authentication so you can monetize your app. I'll show you how to set up the SEO so that you can be discovered on Google. And frankly, that's probably enough. And then there's some more information in here about the overall architecture, the database models, things like that. So this is what you have. This is what you have downloaded. Now that you've downloaded this, let's open this. Let's open this in Windsurf. So this is Windsurf right here. This is an extension of Microsoft's VS Code, and you want to open that folder that you just created. So I think it's in C drive, Windsurf projects, and there it is right there. Let me go back one. So I'm going to select the folder here. When I select the folder, it should bring the folder into Windsurf. Okay. So now that the folder is in Windsurf, a couple of things.